Welcome to my channel, How to Knot, and in this video I'll be showing you how to tie a threaded figure 8. This knot's intended use is for climbing. First start by creating a figure 8 knot. Now feed the working end back through the knot. Follow the same figure 8 path while keeping the loop. Dress accordingly and you're done. A stopper knot can also be added as a safety precaution. Once learned, this is a fairly easy knot to tie and is essential for climbers. Its design can be easily distinguished, so it can be checked easily during a safety inspection. It can be directly tied to a hardware device, will self-tighten under a load, and can absorb shock. After a load, this knot can be difficult to untie. This concludes the rest of my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button, and if you'd like to see more knot tying videos, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.